Right, hi everyone, welcome back. Still plodding on with the Mini, and I've done quite a lot but not achieved a lot. Right, what I mean by that is I've been stripping the car down. We're just going to basically strip it down to nothing because we're almost there anyway. So I've popped all of the glass out, all the seat belts out, all the dash, most of the wiring loom. I've just got the bits going over the top because I'm not removing the headlining, to cut long story short. But yeah, so we got that bit of wiring, but all of the engine bay wiring loom and all of the dashboard wiring loom, steering columns out, steering rack's still in here at the moment because I still need to leave the front subframe in to line up the front end. But what I'm just going to do now is, I started doing it absolutely ages ago, but I'm just going to weld this bracket on the engine steady. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. That's that welded on. That's a quick easy job. I'm just going to linish that up a bit. I'll put a couple of little stitch welds on there as well, just for a bit of peace of mind. But I've done quite large plug welds, so I ain't going to go anywhere. I think I was going to do that originally with the engine in, but this job has massively grown arms and legs. Right, the main reason why I've done it is because I want to take the pedal box out so I can clean and paint all of that up. And obviously I need them studs in place to set that up, so that's sorted now for like later. Right, so yeah, that's going to be a proper quick little video, isn't it? But thanks for watching, and catch you again soon, or maybe in a minute if I add it on to another video. Cheers. Right, so we're on another day, and I'm gonna weld the patches in behind the shock mounts, and there's also a little patch at the front. I'll try and sort the inner wings out so I can fit the front on. You see, little weld through primer there. And I've cut a piece to go in there because that's what was in there. So yeah, I'll set the camera up and we'll go from there. So as you saw, I welded them pieces in there, and a couple of extra bits, but I've just been like having a temporary line out of the front. These are the wings I've had hanging around for ages, a long time, which I've just cleaned them all up now. So, and I think I'm going to get away with it. I will have to put the indicator holes in it, but it's all good. Yeah, so that bit's all fixed. Got a bit of, just chucked a bit of etch on there for now, but they're welded, all welded up both sides, all linished back. And the front doesn't fit too bad. I can't really drop it right down anyway because of the clamp, so I need to screw it. I'm going to put some screws in it, get it in place, and then there's a bit of a big gap there, so that needs to go over a little bit. But yeah, it's all good. Right, so not much today, but thanks for watching, and I will see you all again next week.